Check out this cold start. That's because the exhaust fell off. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am finally gonna be able to buy my camera, guys. Now, for all of you guys that have been following my channel or been on my channel, most of the content that I do is on my phone. Now, when I barely started doing YouTube, I did have a camera, but I broke it after I filmed like my second video. So after that, I decided to just do all my videos, all my filming on my phone. But it's time now for a camera. I've been wanting a camera for a while now, and I kind of know what camera I want. And I think today I'm gonna pull the trigger and go and get it. Now, the reason that I'm bringing you guys with me is because you guys are gonna see all the new content that's gonna go on with the new camera. And not only that, I wanna show you guys my old setup, my current setup, and then my new setup, my hopefully new setup. Just gonna let the truck warm up. Once she warms up, I'm gonna go over to Best Buy. As soon as we get to Best Buy, I'll give you guys another update. So the exhaust was just being hung by this hanger. It wasn't connected to the pipe at all. But look how bad this thing was just scraping. It was just being held in by this thing. So I ended up just taking it off really quick. I am gonna have to get a different exhaust because it connects from here. And then it moves over to here. And then it's just the exhaust that comes out through the end. But there's literally no pipe connected right here. So now that that's taken care of, I can finally go look at the camera. All right, we just made it to Best Buy. The store said that they have 2 in stock, but I had a couple occasions where I come to the store and they don't have stuff in stock that they do on their website. Or maybe it's just the workers lying to me and whatnot, but hopefully they have it in stock. There's 2 things that I plan on getting, and hopefully they have both of them right here so that I can take them with me. But look at the Beamer over there. There's an ST next to it. Que lo haga el Subaru. I'm gonna go inside right now. Let's just hope for the best. All right, I just made it back to the car. And we got it, boys. You guys don't know how happy I am right now. Like, I've been wanting a camera for so long, and I haven't been I decided on what camera I wanted a while back, but they didn't have the camera in stock anymore. It was so backed ordered that I'm not able to get it. I'm gonna fully unbox this as well for you guys, because since this is gonna be probably the last video recorded on my phone, I'm just gonna show you guys the camera and then explain why I went with this setup and whatnot. But yeah, we got it, boys. I'm like geeking out right now of how excited I am to open this new camera. Now, before I showed you guys my new camera and the setup that I'm gonna be running, I just want to show you guys my previous setups. These are the things that are best fit for my budget. I'm pretty sure that there's more expensive and cheaper things, so I just want to show you guys really quick what setups I had so far and then what setup I'm gonna use now. I didn't really know much then about cameras, and I don't really know much about cameras now, but I do know a little bit more than I did back then. But this was the first camera that I ever bought. I had the Canon GX7 Mark II. It was around $650, I think. But this is the first ever camera that I bought. It did the job. It was pretty cool. The main reason why I chose this camera was because you were able to like flip the screen so that you were able to see what you were recording if you were holding it like so. But I broke it. I ended up putting it just in top of something, and my dogs ended up knocking it down while I was recording. And the lens the lens didn't crack, but like the housing around it snapped, and every time that I tried turning it on, it just tries to like move the thing so that it can like turn on. And I don't really know how to explain it, but it doesn't let it, as you guys can see in here. It gets stuck and it doesn't like open or close. So because of that, the screen won't show up. It just says lens error. But I took it to Best Buy to see what I can do to get it fixed. They told me it was just gonna be that it was gonna cost more than whatever the camera was worth. So basically I could have bought a new camera with the amount that they were gonna take to fix this. I don't know if the guy was capping or not, but they told me that, and honestly I just figured out it was time for a new camera. I honestly only got like 2 videos out of this camera and then it just broke, but I was planning on rebuying this camera instead of the one that I got, just because I kind of knew what to do with this camera and whatnot already, but I'm happy I didn't. With this camera, I ended up using this tripod right here. It's nothing special. It was around $50. It's Joby, as you guys can see. I like it. It's pretty cool, but over time these things wear off, so they get like loose and they don't really hold their strength anymore. Like if I put something heavier than my phone on here, this would just like wobble down. After my camera broke, I figured I was gonna need something to be able to still record for some time, so I ended up getting a GoPro. This is my second setup. There's nothing really special about this. The only thing is that this, you are able to like have a screen. My older brother has the box one, and but the thing with that is that if you record something, you're not able to see what you record until you connect it to your computer or laptop or whatever you're using. So because of that, I like to be able to see on my screen what the footage looks like. I'm able to like delete it if I don't like it on the spot, so I can have more memory. I was using my GoPro for a couple videos, and I bought this knockoff like GoPro accessory kit, but it basically comes with a tripod, a suction cup, a chest point of view, a head point of view. The only reason why I got this, I want to be able to like put you guys on my head and like have you guys seen from like a point of view of what's going on. I'm still gonna use this in plenty of my videos because again, it's just so convenient to have. I can like literally put it anywhere I want. They sell so many accessories for this that like having a GoPro is a must have in my opinion, but this was technically my second setup. And now for my third and current setup, it's gonna be my phone. So you guys are currently being like, I'm currently recording this on my phone. I'm using my iPhone. Like I said, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think it's the Pro Max. It has to be. I'm not quite sure. It might be the 11. It actually, I think, is the 11 Pro Max. I'm not quite sure, but it's one of those two. And the idea was actually given to me by my boy Alan. He was the guy who told me that I can shoot videos with my phone, and I knew I could always shoot videos. I just didn't know I could shoot such high definition videos in my phone. I bought this accessory kit at Best Buy. If you guys are looking for any of these, I am gonna have them linked down below for you guys, but this is just a essential blogging kit. It's meant for a phone. It comes with a couple things actually. It comes with one, a tripod, two, like some kind of lighting. It comes with a mic. It comes with 3 color diffusers. That's like the thing that goes over the light so that it can give like a different shade of color. And that's pretty much it. It also comes with some USBs in case you have like an Android or an iPhone. But it is made for both. But this is the current setup that I am using right now. I haven't had any issues with it, but again, I want a camera. I want something that I can have and like be specifically for like YouTube, because I got so many videos on my phone at this point that I don't want to delete them, but I kind of have to because I need the storage. And that's what led me to buy this. Now, right off the bat, let me tell you guys why I bought this camera. So I went online and I was actually looking for the Sony a6100, but it's back order right now, so they don't have it in stock. They don't have it in stores. I was looking for it online as well, and they don't have it. It's back ordered. I eventually plan on still getting that camera, but because I want one right now, because I want to be able to upload all of this footage that's going on in my life right now. Like, I'm about to build my dream garage, and like I want to be able to show you guys that. I'm about to modify my truck, and I want to be able to show you guys that. There's so many things that I want to be able to show you guys, but I'm being held back by little things. But because of this new setup, hopefully we're able to be more consistent with my videos, and I just want to record more, and I want to do YouTube for a living, so I am dedicating my time and money to this, which is why I see it as more of an investment. But the reason why I bought this camera was because as I was doing some research on that 6100, I came across this beginners like Sony bloggers camera. It's kind of similar to the one that I first ever bought, so like I kind of have an idea of how to use it. It also has that like the screen, you're able to like flip it so that you can see what you're recording, which is another big thing of why I bought this. And then for the most part, like I said, I still plan on buying that camera, but for now this is gonna be something that's gonna do the job, I'm pretty sure, really well. With further ado, let me show you guys the camera. This is gonna be the Sony ZV-1. This is technically just a beginner's camera. It comes with a little mic, so it's gonna have better sounding than all of my other recording devices right now. It has that flip screen that I told you guys about. That's what sells me. If I'm able to do that, I'm sold. But I'm gonna unbox this right now. I've been waiting to buy a camera for so long, guys. It took me so long to understand like cameras and what was best for what I wanted. And when I decided what I wanted, it didn't have it. So I ended up going with my technically second choice, and I know this is something that I want to have in my camera collection just because I know it's gonna be useful at some point. But with it, a lot of people recommended that you bought this tripod. This is gonna be the new tripod that I'm gonna be running, and it also comes with a SD card. So I'm gonna be unboxing both right now because I want to see what's in it, and that way you guys can also see what's in it in case you're looking to buy one of these. I was so happy when they had this in stock, guys. I was like, yeah, they have it. Like, because I went and I tried looking for it and it didn't have it. But then they had like a little paper there. It said, see associate for help to purchase this item. So I guess they didn't have it in like display, but they had it in the bag because obviously I bought it. I'm gonna read all of these little pamphlets in a bit. I just want to see what the camera looks like right now. You see, like, that's what I like. You're able to play with these cameras. Like, I did some research, and Sony, I guess, is like one of the best top of the class cameras. Now I'm gonna be able to like buy also a book bag and like have a camera book bag setup, which is so cool to have. And I want it. So convenient and like useful as well. Comes with a little USB port. Here's the little mic I was telling you guys about. Let me open this up. Damn, this is dope. I never had a mic like this before. With the other mic, with the other camera, with the 6100, I do plan on buying like a high-end mic just so that I can have the best sounding quality, because you know those exhaust clips gotta sound good. I always love when they package stuff like this. My computer came in a packaging like this, and this just means they take that extra time to make sure it's safe. But this is it, boys. This is the camera. Like I said, you are able to like flip it. Let me see, like so. Ooh, look at that. Right, you guys are gonna honk you on camera now. But damn, this is dope. I'm happy. You see, this is why you can buy stuff like this, or you just gotta work hard for it. You know, you can't just hope things come like this to your door. You gotta kind of work for them. So I want to turn it on, but I don't think it. Yeah, it doesn't have the. Damn, this is dope, guys. I really like this. This is officially my second camera. Then here's the battery. Batteries that don't have like a cover painting on and it's just like a metal finish, I don't like that. It's kind of sketchy to me, but hey, it's Sony, so I'm pretty sure they know what they're doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the battery on here. Ooh, that's cool. There is supposed to be an SD. Oh, never mind. With the blogger kit, like I said, it comes with an SD card. So since I need the SD card to finish it, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the mic. So like this little thing just slides off, and then I think we're just gonna like slide this new mic in there. But the way it works is it just covers the mic so that like it doesn't get that like wind, I guess, effect. So that's pretty cool. I'm just really impressed by these little things, guys. If you're into cameras, you would know, but I'm not really into cameras, but I kind of know, so this is kind of dope. I'm in love with this. You guys, a little mohawk, like, damn, that's dope, bro. We're gonna save this. Like I said, I'm gonna read the pamphlets in a bit, but this is what the camera looks like right now. It has a new little mic. Again, screen so I can flip it. I think I can actually. Whoa, I did not know that you can actually flip it. I was gonna say I think you can flip it, but I didn't actually think you could flip it. That's dope, because like you can flip it and like close it, and that like protects the screen, you know. Damn, look. Oh hell no, I like this camera a lot. All right, so I'm gonna set the camera aside, and now we can unbox the blogger kit. My girlfriend's gonna be playing with the camera too when she sees it. I already know she is. See, that's why Sony is so like useful. It actually guides you and tells you how to use their stuff. So like I'm gonna read all of this in a bit, just because you know you want to make sure you read all those stuff. But here's the holy grail, and here's the SD card. All right, I'm gonna put the SD card in now. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, it's making me like activate it and everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and like set the camera up, and then I'll show you guys what I think about it. All right, now I got the camera all like set up and whatnot, so we are able to start filming. I like this thing a lot, guys. I'm in love with it. Ooh, this one comes with a little pouch. You see, I can put the tripod there, and it has Sony like a little Sony tag in it. It also comes with a battery, all the pamphlets for it, which I gotta go over with to understand in a bit. Oh, they actually send them in different languages. That's pretty cool. And now for the tripod itself. It's pretty heavy. I kind of like that. It's gonna make me have a good grip on it. Look at that. You are able to stand it. Damn, it has a really good like standing point. But this is what the new tripod looks like. I'm actually excited and looking forward to all the things that I'm going to be able to record now that I got this camera. But with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see the content that's going to be made with this camera, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.